we can live.
Jingthep Kyrteng ki Kyrteng na ka Bynta banyak kun ha ki election sha ka Iing Dorbar Thawain ke Jylla ha Meghalaya bat ha Nagaland kala Sdang Bynta kasngi ha ke Jylla Meghalaya ki Kyrteng ki belawan Thep Kyrteng ning kong akmat ki returning officer ki de ki shipara na ka seng NPP kata ikong amprin lingdo iban Iing na ka East Shillong bat ikong Jasmine lingdo iban Iing na Nong Thamai constituency kini ki arngut ki shipara ki lawan sha ka office jong deputy commissioner haringkat bat kinong Krishan ki jongki banwan Thep ya ki Kyrteng Kyrteng shimet na Miliam constituency uba pensyai manik siem ulawan ru ban Thep Kyrteng menta kasngi.
I chose the NPP because if I have to shift from the Congress because they showed me the door, I would like to go to a party which is firstly from the state. Secondly, must have the national presence, which the NPP does. Thirdly, I feel that the ideology of the NPP is close to the ideology of the Congress. It is not a political party. It believes in inclusive politics. It is a party which believes in grassroots politics. And this way I follow in the same footsteps that I have always been coached and trained to over the years.
Menteri Rang Ba ka Jylla